Hello and welcome to another product demonstration video from Pars. Today I'm going to talk to you about the new Traveljoy folding aluminium sack truck. Manufactured in Taiwan, excellent quality, aluminium frame construction with additional plastic parts, distributed by us here in the Midlands. This particular model is very lightweight at only 3.2 kilos and compact in design, as you can see, all parts fold in, which makes it a suitable for truck for getting in and out the back of vehicles. To use, simply fold down the foot plate, which at the same time will fold out the wheels, and press the button in the middle here to extend the handle to a suitable height, and away you go. Great for moving anything up to 50 kilos, so ideal for small boxes, around the office, around schools, and obviously for reps out on the road. With a solid rubber smooth running wheel, 125mm, great for getting up and down curbsides, and fitted with the extended bungee, which is great for securing your load. This product, as all Traveljoy products, are held in stock and available next day. For more information, see www.pars.co.uk.